Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Funmibi here again with another headband tutorial. In today's video, we'll be making this easy Marco Autogele. So I made a tutorial similar to this, but I've been getting a lot of requests from people asking me to show how to make this type of Autogele using that item that I shared in the very first video, which is called Marco. If you're yet to see that first video, I'm going to link it on the screen. Please go ahead to check out that video first before coming back to watch this particular tutorial. Alright guys, now that I've said all that, let's get straight into today's video. Okay guys, so this is my Marco like I showed in the previous video, and I have different strips of fabric. I'm going to leave all the dimensions on the screen, so please take note of the dimensions that I put on the screen. So for this particular bit here that I'm working on, that's the bit that's going to form that ruffle flowery kind of thing on top of the Autogele, while these four pieces are pieces that we are going to join together to give us one single piece that we will now use to wrap our Marco. I hope everything I just said makes sense to you guys. So for this particular piece, it will form the flower, while the remaining four on the other side would form, the single piece that we would use as our main, the base of our Autogele. So these are the pieces that I already joined together. I have four pieces joined together, and then the other one, I have two random pieces joined together to give me two individual pieces. I hope it all makes sense, but please guys, just look at what I'm showing you. So this is what I have here that will form the flower on top of the Autogele. So what I'm doing here, this is a very important part, so please pay attention. I'm going to show you how you are going to wrap the Marco to give you that base effect that we have going on with this particular style of Autogele. So a lot of people call this type of Autogele the Zara type of cap. I don't know where the name sprang up from, but yeah, it's called Zara base or Zara cap. But yeah, for us to get that Zara kind of effect, we are going to just put Marco in between our ASOOKE, right, or whatever fabric you choose to use, and then you fold it the way I just showed. If you didn't get that part, please rewind and look at how I went about it. So after wrapping my Marco, I'm going ahead to pin the sides of this base that we are working on, and then once I've gone ahead to pin, I'm going to go ahead to my sewing machine and then just sew whatever I pinned in place, just to secure the Marco inside of this base so that it doesn't move around at all. So if you're tying this as a ready-made gele, you might not need this Marco. You just need to fold your ASOOKE however you want. Anyway, I know professional gele stylists already know how it works, but yeah, this video is for people that are trying to form an Autogele out of this type of design. So this is what I have here. I went ahead to sew on straps. I'm going to leave the dimension. This strap that I sewed ended up being too short, so please make your own strap as long as possible so that wearing the Autogele on your head will be easy. Also, for making this base, please take note that whatever your head circumference is, you minus about 5 inches from it to give you your base. So the dimension I showed at the beginning of the video is my own measurement. So this is what the final result looks like after sewing and all of that and tying it. So here I'm just going to be showing you guys how I formed that flower thingy that I have going on top of this my Autogele. Honestly, I don't really care for this style of Autogele. I don't know why. I don't know if it's just me, or maybe because I've just not gotten how to get a perfect ruffle or pleats. I've not gotten it just yet. Maybe that's why I don't like it. But here, I honestly don't know what I'm doing. But I decided to just film because I know a lot of you guys always want to see everything. So I went ahead to film everything I did to form that my little flower thingy that you guys saw at the beginning of the video. So just in case you're interested in knowing how I formed this, please watch this part of the video. And yeah, I'm going to stop talking now. Please pay attention to what I'm doing, and I'll be back to talk to you guys towards the end of this video.
Keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I
All right, guys. So after making two individual pieces of flowery kind of things, I decided to attach it to my base. And this is just me doing that. For making this type of autogele as well, you would need a mannequin head because that is what is going to help you basically get the right spot to place your flowers in, or whatever ruffle you created. Your mannequin head will really come in handy. So if you don't have one, I suggest you get one so that making this type of thing will come easy to use. So this is just me, going around trying to attach this my flower thingy on top of the base, and after that is done, I'll be done with making this particular autogele. I hope this video answered a lot of the questions that you guys had for me after watching that first video, because the only reason why I filmed this video was because you guys asked for it. So please make sure you watch this video so you would be able to figure out this whole process for yourselves. And if you don't care for this style of ruffle thingy, feel free to check out my last video and see how I created pleats on that other style, and then see if you can incorporate it into this particular design. If you enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to give me a big fat thumbs up. Also share this video with anybody that you think will find this kind of tutorial useful. And if you're yet to subscribe as well, please do well to subscribe to my channel. In December, like I said, I'm coming with a lot of bespoke pieces that will come in really handy for your events towards this festive season. So please be sure to subscribe to this channel. And yeah, guys, I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.